Hello, today I am going to talk about household description, like a chef, kid and easy, Panasonic intelligent and innovative technologies are designed to simplify your home life. This appliance is useful because it has many functions. Like number one, this function enables to add extra heating by pressing this button when you want to heat something up a bit more after cooking or heating it. You can produce exactly the kind of result you want. Number 2, power level. Power levels are most commonly used in recipes to present overcooking. Fats and sugar are very rapidly. For example, cheese toppings or brown sugar glaze. Using a lower power level or heating toppings halfway over the cooking time will avoid overcooking of dense items. Number 3, automatic defrost. The microwave defrosts food much faster than by letting it down naturally in the refrigerator. Auto defrost also offers the convenience of not having to change many settings. Function number 4, automatic cooking. The auto-cook function consists of 9 programs called 1 to 9. The cooking time of all the codes is determined by the time it takes from start to humidity detection point. The word auto will be displayed during this time. Function number 5. This function is that you must press the pause or cancel button if you want to remove the food before the end of the time. But also the microwave is not difficult for you to eat with less cost. You can eat without the fear that you are cold or cook it. If you do not know how to set the time, the food may not be well heated. Hello, today I'm going to talk about household. Number 4, automatic cooking. The auto-cook function consists of 9 programs called at time. This function enables you to have extra heating by pressing this button when you want to have something.